Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting tidbit happens on the latest build of Windows 11. When build 26002 arrived yesterday, a Twitter user, a X user, has actually found a little something hidden within the code. Until now, if you use third-party apps, you could also tweak the system and kind of restore a Windows 10-like taskbar, and that was working fine. Now, this new kind of hidden feature called Disable Win 10 Taskbar is off by default, but if you turn it on, it prevents you from doing it, and it breaks all third-party apps like Start 10 and so on, or Start 11, and you can't change anything anymore on Windows 11's taskbar. So we're kind of wondering, is this temporary for something? Like maybe they're tweaking the taskbar. We know that Copilot's moving on the right side of the screen. Or is it in preparation that maybe at some point in time they want to try to block third-party apps from modifying the taskbar and the feel of Windows? This is kind of interesting. I would not see any advantage for Microsoft to do so, because I think it'd be probably making people mad rather than making people, happy. But it's very, very weird that that has popped up. Of course, we've got to say that a lot of these things that happen to show up in Windows insider builds never make it to the standard build. But what's your take on it? What do you guys think about the fact that they could enable a little switch that would break third-party software from modifying your taskbar and everything? I think most of you would not be happy to, because I know a lot of you are using third-party software to modify the look of Windows 11 to have it more like Windows 10, and even in some cases Windows 7. In my case, I'm using Windows 11 straight from what it is. I'm the guy that kind of likes it like that. But what do you guys think about that? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.